The new FLIR DM93 is an industrial-grade digital multimeter with advanced features for all your electrical testing needs, incorporating the innovation, accuracy, and reliability FLIR's customers have come to expect over the past 50 years. This new multimeter offers VFD mode for accurate troubleshooting, low Z to eliminate ghost voltage, and continuous data recording to detect sporadic glitches. The DM93 also features a bright LED work light to illuminate dimly lit inspection areas. The DM93 can also connect to Bluetooth-equipped FLIR thermal cameras. This enables you to embed electrical readings into your thermal images, which helps quantify your findings and clarify your reports. Also available is the FLIR Tools mobile app for Android devices. Great for data logging, sharing information with colleagues, and creating professional reports. The all-new FLIR DM93 Digital Multimeter, part of the next generation of test and measurement, only from FLIR.